Sakura season is here. Let's make sakura-mochi together. We use this kit. Soak the cherry blossom leaves to remove the salt. Mix domyoji rice, water, and sugar. Then microwave the mixture. Divide the sweet red bean paste into 10 equal portions. And roll them into 10 balls. Once the domyoji flour is cooked, let it rest for 10 minutes. While it rests, drain the cherry leaves. Knead the freshly steamed domyoji like mochi. Divide the domyoji into 10 portions and roll them into balls. Wrap the red bean balls with the domyoji. Wrap each sakura-mochi in a cherry blossom leaf.